So we're going to work on the 99 GMC Suburban. We're going to change out these lenses. They're pretty easy. Put like 4 screws, 2 there, 2 there. I just changed these headlights out. But this company, Eagle Eyes, this is the right one, this is the left one. I've seen their name, even though this particular ones were sold by a place called Epic Lighting. So, but they also make taillight lenses like this for the Chevy Suburban as well. So let's get these things changed out. Definitely looking a whole lot better than this fogged out.
Thanks for watching my video. Check out some of our other videos. Catch you on the next one.